Good morning, guys. Buenos dias. So we gotta this trim in the back in here. We had a lot of work in here to do from the area here and to here. That's all. We gotta do it. We gotta aerate. We gotta clean this whole area right there. See all the green pine trees coming up from that big pine tree all the way down. Kind of clean that up. And aerate, like I say, we gotta aerate in here. And we gotta do pine straw trimming, which I just finished trimming, and aerate, clean up on the back, and that's gonna be about it in this house. So yeah, there's the pine straw, the aerate machine, the stinger. Man, it's hot, early hot. July is one of the hottest months. Está caliente. So yeah, now I gotta go pick up all that debris. The good thing, we gotta dump it by the wooden area. Man, muy caliente. Look at me. Really hot. Hot. Man, that heat is unreal, guys. Still got that area. I'm pretty much done. Man. I'm telling you, this is when you push yourself, and this is what it takes with your business, guys. Hard work, really hard work, tough work. All right, let me get to it. And it's just like what, 10:46. I mean, I'm soaking wet. Caliente. We had some rain. Nos llegó la agua, la lluvia. But it's gone now. It's gone. Ah, man, I didn't want to go home. I want to finish this job. And that's what I'm doing. I guess let's go back. Buenos dias. Good morning, guys. I didn't finish yesterday. The rain started back again, so I just left. But I just showing you. I just clean all this area and power everything right here. Weed eat the rest. All I gotta do is now put this pine straw down, and I'll be done. I'll be done, guys. Alright. Let's get to it. Alright, terminamos, compadres. We're done. Look at that. Oh, this area is clean. Looks so much better. Alright. So guys, we put 80 bales of pine straw in this house all the way. Trim the shrubs, and this one aeration, core aeration also. Yep. Grass is not growing under the trees right here, but that's the way it is sometimes. Yeah, that's the shrubs. That's the whole area back there, the back and the front. So just as it's poured down raining, guys, I tried to stay and I couldn't. It was raining and raining. So yeah, let's go. That's all, man. See you guys in the next video. There's a Sky 36 and the Stinger. Alright, later, man.